What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy back here, teacher Lucas. Hope you're doing fine today. And before I start here, I just want to remind you to follow me in all my social medias, especially on Instagram, because I teach English every day on my Instagram story. So make sure to follow there to be aware of new tips every day and also to learn new vocabularies, new phrasal verbs. That's very nice for you. Today, I want to teach you how to make comparison in English using more and then. You only need to have in mind that we need an adjective that is 3 or more syllables. Don't be concerned about that. My quick tip for you is think about it as a long word. So every time you come across a big word, a long word, probably to make a comparison you will need more and then, okay? Let's check this example here. Check it out. Imagine we have two tires. The tire on the left costs $69.99. The tire on the right costs $67.99. So both tires are expensive. We all agree with that. But the tire on the left is more expensive than the tire on the right. Okay? So I'm comparing the tire on the left with the tire on the right. Notice that expensive is a long word, it's a big word, expensive, okay? So I use more expensive than. Let's imagine two magazines as well. Both magazines are interesting, but the magazine on the right seems to be more interesting than the magazine on the left. Interesting is a long word. We use more and then, so the magazine on the right is more interesting than the magazine on the left, okay? And look at this sentence as well. For instance, the lasagna is more delicious than the one my aunt makes. Calamari is more difficult to prepare than shrimp. Sandra is more intelligent than her sister Jenny. So, if you notice, we always compare like something is more than something else, okay? This is how we compare in English. And using long words. So, delicious, difficult, intelligent, expensive, interesting. So, you just learned that the structure is more plus the adjective, 3 or more syllables, plus than, okay? To compare people, animals, places, things. But look now at this example that I have here. I have a conversation between Dennis and Frank. So Dennis says, Virginia is so beautiful. And Frank answers, she sure is. But I think her sister Monica is more beautiful. Did you notice that he didn't say more beautiful than? Why he didn't use more beautiful than? Because it's clear for us here that Frank is comparing Monica with Virginia. So he doesn't need to repeat again the sentence. I have here another example as well. A conversation between Randy and Michael. And Randy say, do you think math is difficult? Michael answers, yeah, but physics is more difficult. It's clear here in his answer that he's comparing physics to math and that physics, in his opinion, is more difficult than math. Not every time you need to repeat everything again. Depending on the structure of your sentence, you can only say, yeah, but something is more difficult, okay? So hope you guys got that. Hope it wasn't so damn hard for you. If you are looking for an English school to improve your English, have that in mind. Central Park English School. Central Park English School is a very good school. It's an online English course where you have more than 200 videos available for you to learn English, approximately 40 weeks of study, half an hour per day, so you can have your own schedule, your own time to study. It's not too much per day. Make sure to hit the link that I'll leave in the description below so you can have more information from them, alright? And also, as I always say here, you need to practice your English. And practicing English is not just listening or reading. You need to speak as well. And here on YouTube, you can speak. So, if you are looking for a platform where you can find people, native English speakers, for you to practice your English anytime you want, we have iTalk. iTalk is a very good platform. I'll leave here in the description below their link, iTalk's link. So make sure to hit this link. In your first access, you will receive $10 of discount. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me in all my social medias. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, here in the YouTube. If you're still not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell to receive notification of new videos on your cell phone every time I post a new video. And thanks for watching. See ya in the next video. Peace out.